YouTube channel. My name is Meenakshi Devangnan and I am here to make content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. As you have already read by the title कि आज की वीडियो क्या होने वाली है, but let me say it to you one more time. But before that, I would really appreciate if you guys take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon right next to it so that you won't miss out any of my updates. So basically today I'm going to try out some viral fashion hacks that have been trending right now. So ये सारे hacks मैं बहुत दिनों से social media पे देख रही हूँ and I wanted to give it a try. Then I thought why not to make a video and share it with you guys so that you can also see if it is going to work or not. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's jump right into the video. So starting with this very first hack, which is turning your basic camisole top into a crop top, and to do that you need is a cloth string or something like chain or lace to tie up the top. Then all you need to do is take that string and उसे center से अंदर की ओर लाते हुए middle पे tie करना है, and like I am doing so, and after that move that knot upwards and tie it behind your neck. And it's done. Your front drawstring top is ready. I can say it's comfortable. ज़्यादा कुछ odd feel नहीं हो रहा, बस दिक्कत एक ही बात की होगी कि मैचिंग की स्ट्रिंग अगर ना मिले तो it will not look that good. Otherwise it looks cool, it's comfortable, and yeah, it's hit for me. For this hack we need to take a basic t-shirt जिसकी neck थोड़ी सी broad हो, that you came to know आगे कि मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रही हूँ, so don't get confused. Then just flip your t-shirt upside down like so and wear it. The neck portion will sit in your waist area and जो नीचे का loose part है वो top पे होगा, and it will look like something like an off shoulder top, I guess. It was a little bit difficult to adjust, but it looks cute though. I can say you can carry this look for a photo shoot or a video shoot something, but इसे बाहर carry करना will not be that easy. So as you can see, I'm still adjusting my top from front, from behind, because it looks kind of messy from the back side. But I actually kind of like it. I have mixed feelings. I have no idea what to say, but it looks cute. So I can say it's a thumbs up, I guess. This hack, any shirt, you will need any shirt with full sleeve or half sleeve, doesn't matter, and wear it as usual. Then start unbuttoning it from the middle like so. Then grab the both ends and tuck it in the back side underneath your inner wear. It looks really cool from the front, but पीछे से ये थोड़ा सा messy लग रहा है. I guess you have to take or use something in polyester or georgette material so that it would easily get tucked पीछे and उल्टा पुल्टा ना लगे. Okay, so this hack also requires a shirt, so I am using the same as before. But this is something different. Just wear your shirt and don't button it. Instead grab one corner, adjust from the collar and tuck it in the opposite side of your bottom wear like so. Repeat the same for the next corner and adjust from the bottom too. Now to make it more secure, just close one button in the middle like so and you are done. So this one is the most trending one amongst all, and for this hack you need is any strappy or camisole top. Here I thought to convert the top to the way it will look after the conversion, but the way it was looking I kinda lost it, so I simply wore it first and then removed my one arm from one side and twisted around and then wore it again like I'm doing so don't get confused. Adjust from the front and then adjust from the back and voila, you'll get a cute bralette top. Looks so cool and doesn't really look like I have done some hack with it, so it's a thumbs up for me. For this hack too you need a strappy top, so I'm going for the same previous one, and I know काफ़ी लोगों ने already देखा होगा, so let me try it out too. Again using the cloth string, crossing it from the straps like I'm hanging it, but I'm actually gonna wear it like that, and then tie both the strands behind your neck, and then अपने arms को नीचे से लाते हुए उसे top के अंदर डालना है like I am going to do. right now. Adjust the front and hold both the strands and then tie it on the back side. You can also use chains for this if you have, but I don't have, so I'm using that same old black strap kind of thing, and I'm just tying it behind, and then voila, you'll get backless crop top kind of thing. So I actually love this hat because it's very comfortable and it doesn't feel like it will fall down.
That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section which hack do you like the most, and till then take care. Bye bye. I will see you in my next video.